Let's get started. Hey, Aaron Smith here. This is a good song by Sam the Sham and the Pharaohs, Little Red Riding Hood. And it begins like this. Who's that I see walking in these woods? Why, it's Little Red Riding Hood. Hey there, Little Red Riding Hood. You sure are looking good. You're everything that a big bad wolf would want. Listen to me. Now, the key to this song is you got to get this bass down. You got to definitely get the bass down. That's what makes this song. So I'll go slow with it. So here we go. With Little Red Riding Hood. So it goes. Who's that I see walking in these woods? Why, it's Little Red Riding Hood. Hey there, Little Red Riding Hood. You sure are looking good. You're everything that a big bad wolf would want. Listen to me. Then it goes. Little Red Riding Hood. I don't think little big girls should go walking in these spooky old woods alone. So see, that's what I mean. You got to get this bass in to make it sound right. So it's whoops. Who's that I see walking in these woods? Why, it's Little Red Riding Hood. Hey there, Little Red Riding Hood. You sure are looking good. You're everything that a big bad wolf would want. Listen to me. Little Red Riding Hood. I don't think little big girls should go walking in these spooky old woods alone. So there's that part. So you just got to work with the bass, and you'll get it. You got to get the bass in there. Okay, now the other part goes like this. What big eyes you have, kind of eyes that drive us mad. So see that you don't get chased. I think you ought to walk with me for a way. What for lips you have, sure to learn someone bad. So until you get to Grandma's place, I think you ought to walk with me and be safe. Now there's a little bit of timing issue here, so I'll keep going through it. Slow it down a little bit. So it goes. What big eyes you have, the kind of eyes that drive wolves mad. So see that you don't get chased. I think you ought to walk with me far away. What for lips you have, sure to learn someone bad. So until you get to Grandma's place, I think you ought to walk with me and be safe. Now see, that part's it's real tricky. It's a little tricky there because it's a timing thing. So it goes. What for lips you have, because you got to get these notes in here right.
What for lips you have, sure to learn someone bad. So till you get to Grandma's place, I think you ought to walk with me and be safe.
Then back to that.
I'm gonna keep my sheep suit on until that you've been shown that I could be trusted walking with you alone. Little Red Riding Hood, I like to hold you if I could, but you might think I'm a big bad wolf, so I won't.
Then goes to that
What a big heart I have, the better to love you with. Little Red Riding Hood, even bad wolves can be good. I'll try to be satisfied, just walk close by your side. Maybe you'll see things my way before you get to Grandma's place.
Then back to that
Little Red Riding Hood, I sure are looking good, and you're everything that a big bad wolf could want.
then just kind of fades out. Just kind of fades out. This is a good fun song for you. So there it is. Now you're going to see what your next lesson is going to be. Till next time, later.